Some recipes outlast centuries and somehow still feel personal. Apple pie has a way of making any table feel complete, especially a gluten-free one. Hi, I'm Masha, and you've just stepped into my gluten-free kitchen. I did not think about recipes growing up, but the first time I baked an apple pie, I understood why people pass them down. It's more than a dessert, it's a piece of family history. For centuries, people wrapped apples in pastry. In medieval England, cooks filled crusts with apples, spices, and even figs. Over time, from old Europe to America, the heart stayed the same. Simple food shared around the table. This is my version, gluten-free, made with care, and ready for anyone who needs a reminder that traditions can always be made new. Being gluten-free doesn't mean settling for less, it means discovering new ways to feel at home. All it takes are good apples, a little sweetness, a crust that holds everything together, no complicated steps, just time, intention, and the promise of something comforting. When I bring this pie to the table, it feels like more than food. It's a way to say you belong here.
You need to get to the good stuff. Good.
Good. If you're craving something simple and real, I would love for you to try this recipe. Pass a slice to someone you love and create your own tradition.
It's super good.
Follow me at Masha Bakes Gluten-Free for more gluten-free inspiration. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Today we're going to make a video of pros of eating, and mommy is going to give me more apples.
I'd love for you to try this recipe.
Recipe?